So hello guys, and today I'm going to share my Nova launcher setup which I have been using for quite a few days. Now you can see this is a Marshmello based Nova launcher home screen I am using, and so on. It is quite easy to build, it's quite easy to get the setup done, and I think anyone can get it done on their phone. The apps that you are going to need will be given in the description. I will give the links for the apps. So let's get started. For this you want to set your desktop bit to 5 into 4 and you want to turn on sub-bit positioning, and then to the icon layout, keep the icon size to 100%, keep the font size to medium, do set the color to black. You can disable single line if you like, but please keep the shadows on as they look really good. Now you go to search bar and you can select the search bar as you like, but do keep it black. Keep the bar color black and keep using a material design. The other designs might look good, but they won't match with the wallpaper very well. So yes, even the Google Pixel search bar doesn't look that good here. As you can see, I have set the logo style to quite basic Google logo, but you can change it if you want the colorful one or the pixel one. It's as per your preference, as Nova Launcher gives you a lot of settings and lot of customization with that. For scroll effect, I am going to skip the scroll effect to simple because it does looks pretty good and pretty simple, but you can change it if you prefer. As always, the wallpaper scrolling should be turned on. I am not using the reverse setting here. The basic one looks just good, and you don't want any page indicator to be enabled for this setup. Do make sure the swipe to dryer indicator is in black color because the white one wouldn't be shown with the white wallpaper here. So you do want the swipe indicator in the black color. And that app and weird dryers this time, and I will actually show you that there you just don't want to enable the font size to medium, keep the font size to normal, but you can just change it to medium font size if you like we have set in the desktop. But larger font size doesn't actually look good in a lot of apps because some apps has long names, so they won't look that good. You can also disable single line if you like, but keep the icon size to 100%, but it depends on your choices. As per dock, you do not need to enable dock background, just enable dock. Just keep 5 dock icons and that should be enough. You do want to enable dark icons for the notification bar as it is very important to do so. You will not see any folder in my home screen setup, but still you can use the in preview folder if you like or you can set a custom black folder if you like. I would always recommend having a in preview folder as it looks pretty good. When I did apply the icon pack, or if you apply the icon pack and you don't get any of your icon changed as you would like to, you can change the icons manually. You can just long press the icon and then go to edit, and then you can edit the icon and you can set up the icon you might like. Use dark white for that and you will be able to find your right icon after the icon set load up. There will be a lot of icons for you to use. I changed my camera icon because it did not change automatically. So guys, to get the weather widget I created, go to widgets and pull up the Kronos weather widget, which is 4:1. Drag the widget onto your home screen and then go to weather panel settings. Enable your location. If you have it turned off, you should enable your location so it can look at your location automatically, or you can set your location manually from the settings. You can set any weather provider you would like, set the icon set to monochrome, enable drop shadow. You need to set the weather style to classic. You can use metric, or well, that's up to you. And I just turned off everything else because I don't want it to show much information. So thanks for watching guys. Like this video if you would enjoy it, to have this as your home screen. Dislike this if you won't, and make sure you comment and give me your suggestions if you have any.